Hello everyone, welcome back to the Database Basics tutorial series. In this video, we will learn about union in SQL. In SQL, the union operator is used to combine the results of two or more select queries into a single result set. The union operator returns only distinct values by default, meaning it removes duplicate rows from the result set. And if you want to keep the duplicate rows, you can use OR union or union OR. We can see it later. Before that, we will see the basic syntax of using union. The basic syntax is select column 1, column 2, and so on. Then from the table 1, then you union this query to another query, column 1 and column 2, and so on, from the table 2. Or the different condition on the same table. Okay, let's practice. You can open the SQL scripts in the previous one and use the select full name and department name from the employees, join with the database, join with the department on the field department ID and ID. And you can put a condition, maybe full name equal Jade, and you union this query to another query with the full name is John. And let's run it. You see we have two rows in a single result. You can try, you can check whether it keep the duplicate rows or it remove it by delete the condition on the second query. And click run and see J not appear twice, just one in here. Now you can try to use union on and see J has two rows in the result set. And you can use some other operator like intersect. Like except. Okay, I think I need to move the condition to the second one. So in the result, the J will be disappear because I accept that row from the result set. Okay, I think this is the end of the video. Thank you and see you in the next one.